Hi, I'm Tom from the Physics Classroom with another video from our Task Tracker tutorial series. In this video, titled Importing a Task, I'll be discussing what importing a task involves, why you would want to import a task, and how to import a task. Let's get started. Importing a task involves taking a task that was assigned to another class and importing or copying that task to your own class. You can import tasks from classes that you're teaching this year or from classes that you've taught during any previous subscription season. And if you're in a group subscription, an added bonus is that you can import a task from a class that your colleague has taught this year or during a previous subscription season. Importing a task gives you access to a wide collection of assignments that have already been made. The bare minimum that you'd have to do to be up and running with the imported task is to change the date visible by and the due dates of the assignment. And of course, if you wanted to change how the assignment is scored and what the requirements of the assignment are, that can be done as well. Like cloning a task, importing a task allows you to quickly populate a class with a collection of assignments that are ready to use. But unlike cloning a task, importing a task allows you to access assignments from classes that you've taught during previous subscription seasons. It also allows you to pull assignments from courses that are taught by the colleagues in your group subscription, both during this school year and during previous subscription seasons. Next, I'll be showing you how to import the task, and when you see how easy it is, you'll realize what a time saver importing a task can be. I'm logged into Task Tracker and I'm on my account page. In order to import a task, you'll need to go to your classes page. For the sake of this discussion, let's suppose that you have a colleague who's teaching a class called CalcPad class. And what she's doing is she's creating a collection of calculator pad assignments that are quite elaborately set up. And what you'd like to do is to import those assignments into your own class. If we look at her class, what we'll notice is that she's got her 1D kinematics already set up, and inside of it she has about 10 assignments, and you've asked her if it would be all right if you could import those assignments into your own class. She said yes, so now you feel like it's time to do it. So what you'll need to do is go to your own class, Period 1 Physics, and then make sure that you have the topic set up to import the tasks into. The topic that we were looking at is 1D kinematics, so create that topic if you haven't done it already. Select 1D kinematics from the pull-down menu, and when you do, you've created a folder into which we can import or store all those imported tasks. You'll notice that there's an Import Task pull-down menu. If you tap on that menu, you'll see the names of all the classes within your subscription and the owners of those classes. I want to import assignments from the CalcPad class, and there they are. To do so, it's very easy. Just tap on their names and you'll begin to populate the Import Task field with the names of these assignments. There's 10 assignments all ready to import. Click on the Import button and you'll be given this notification that importing was successful, and you'll see the assignments set up there. Now, as a final step, you may want to change some of the date information, like the visible by date, the due date, and the date last submittable by. To do so, you can tap on the pencil icon next to the assignment name, and then from the Edit Task Properties page, you can change some of that information by either using the calendar or simply typing it in as you wish it to show. Submit the assignment, and that assignment has now been customized with the date information that you desire to have. If you'd like to change some of the assignment configurations, you can launch the assignment into the assignment editor. But in order to change those configurations for a CalcPad assignment, you first have to clone the assignment and then change the properties such as the number of maximum attempts, the number of unpenalized attempts, and the default % penalty. Hopefully I've convinced you that importing a task can be a great time saver, a way of populating your class with a collection of ready-to-use assignments that have come from a class you previously taught, or for those in group subscriptions, from a class of your colleagues from this year or a previous subscription season. I'm Tom from the Physics Classroom. Thank you for watching.